Hey YouTube, it's Nick here. I'm going to show you how to make your own free Android app. Only a couple of clicks with no coding experience where you can make money off it. If you want to watch more of these kind of videos, subscribe and like the video to follow along. So what we do here is going to use App Creator 24. This is a free website where you can turn any web page into an Android app and put in your own advertising into it for free. What we're going to do is make a HTML5 game into an Android app that can be used on any device. So we're going to find a game. I have one here called Smarty Bubbles. You can find it from this kind of site right here. It's okay to use this since they have advertising in the game when it loads, so they don't mind if you use the link. You're going to get that link right here. Come to your app creator. Create a new app. Smarty Bubbles. You get the icon. Get that from right here. Oops. Pick any style you want. I'm going to pick the holo. You do a web app. Smarty Bubbles. Put in that URL for the game right there. And it's been created. Go to the app manager. The advertising here, you're going to use Admob. Put in your numbers right there. Use your interstitials, banners. Want to show every 2 pages. I'm going to show it every time, so the interstitial every time. Save. Go back. You can do some other customizations to it and the different options right here. Then you download it. You have to wait for it to build. Whilst it's doing that, we're going to show appetize.io here. You can upload the APK and you can take screenshots of it. So you don't have to move it from a device or anything. You can do this a lot more quickly. Still waiting. There we go. Download. Go to here, go to upload, get your file right here. Wait for it to upload. You go to your dashboard. You go right here, view, tap to play. And that is the app. And you can use this website to take screenshots of it. We can use for the Google Play listing. So that's how you make an app for free in a couple clicks. You can make money from it. Follow along, subscribe, and let me know any questions in the comments below. Thank you.